Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today in this video I am going to show you how you can calculate the sum. There are many times when we have to calculate the total of the marks obtained by students, or we have to calculate the sum of numbers. So Microsoft Excel offers so many formulas to do this, to ease up your work. Okay, so if you want to calculate the sum, in this video I am going to show you 3 ways by which you can calculate the sum. So without wasting any time, let's just start it. Okay, we have a given list. I have already typed a list in which there is a serial number and there is a column number, name, and the marks of English, marks of maths, marks of science, marks of EVS, and this is the grand total. Okay, you already know that these are called columns. Column number A, column number B, column number C, D, and so on. And this is the row. Row number 2, row number 3, row 4. And this particular box is called cell. And each cell has its own address. For example, if we are on this cell, then this is C2. You will see it later on. Okay, so just calculate the sum by its given formula, auto sum. The first method is auto sum. Just click on it, auto sum. It will select the range for which you want to calculate the sum. For example, you want to calculate the sum of marks obtained by students in English, maths, science, and EVS, but not for the cell G. Okay, so just don't select it. Select this range only. This is the cell address. Okay, you are going to calculate the sum of English, maths, science, and EVS. Just press the enter and you will get the sum. See how simple is it? And for the rest of the cell, you just double click it and you will get the sum. Okay, and type the name for it. Write the caption for this column. Okay, so this was the very first way by using which you can calculate the sum. You can type it manually, and with using the formula you can calculate the sum. Okay, the second type is you just simply type is equal to, write sum. This is a function of Microsoft Excel. Just put a bracket and number 1 means the cell you want to add. Okay, so just select the range English, maths, science, and EVS means from cell C to cell F. Okay, if you want to close the bracket, then just close it, but if there is a single bracket, then there is no need to close it, but it's a good practice if you do it. Okay, it will calculate the sum. See, this has the same result as the column number H has. Okay, so you can do it by manually too. So just double click it and you will get the result for the rest of the cells too. And the third method is you can do it in the same way as we do it in mathematics. For example, just type SUM bracket starts cell number, and we have to add, that means plus maths marks plus science marks plus EVS marks, then just close it. You will get the same result. See, you can see its formula here is equal to, that means we are going to calculate the sum of cell C2, cell D2, cell E2, cell F2. These are all the addresses of a particular cell in which the student is having marks. Okay, so just double click it and you will get the marks of other cells. So see how simple it is. Okay, so this was all from our video. If you like our video, then please like it, share it, and subscribe our channel. Thank you.